Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पतः नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यम् भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदान्त विद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। आराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम्। लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। धर्मशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यम् अर्थशास्त्रमिदं परम् मोक्षशास्त्रमिदं प्रोक्तम् व्यासेनामितबुद्धिना भारतं सर्वशास्त्राणाम् उत्तमं भरतर्षभ सम्प्रत्याचक्ष्यते चेदम् तथा श्रोष्यन्ति चापरे। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Mahabharat session. We are in Adi Parva doing the first chapter, Anukramanika Parva. In that we have finished first 200 mantras. We are seeing Dhritarashtra's explanation about Yada Shrausham, when I had heard, Tadana Ashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. That time I have not expected or I had any hope of any victory, O Sanjay. And the middle two padas, he has been explaining or telling what all had happened and how at each time his hope of victory was breaking. So we had started quite long with these verses. Today it will see the conclusion of those verses at about 213, 215 verse. But we will continue even thereafter. So let's begin from 201. Okay. So volunteers, yes, Lavitaji. Those who want to volunteer, please raise your hands beforehand so that I get to know how many verses I can allocate to each chapter. Okay, 201. यदा द्रोणे निहते द्रोणपुत्रः
यदा द्रोणे निहते द्रोणपुत्रः
नारायणं दिव्यमस्त्रं विकुर्वन्
नारायणं दिव्यमस्त्रं विकुर्वन्
नैषामन्तं गतवान् पाण्डवानाम्
नैषामन्तं गतवान् पाण्डवानाम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा द्रोणे निहते द्रोणपुत्रः नारायणं दिव्यमस्त्रं विकुर्वन् नैषामन्तं गतवान् पाण्डवानां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that Drona's son had misused the weapon named Narayan and had failed to kill the Pandavas. Yada drone nihate Dronaputraha Narayanan divyamastram vikurvan Naishamantam gatavan Pandavanam तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं भीमसेनेन पीतम्
यदा श्रोषं भीमसेनेन पीतम्
रक्तं भ्रातुर्युधि दुःशासनस्य
रक्तं भा रक्तं भ्रातुर्युधि दुःशासनस्य
युधि short यु
रक्तं भ्रातुर्युधि दुःशासनस्य
निवारितन्नान्यतमेन भीमम्
निवारितं नान्यतमेन भीमम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं भीमसेनेन पीतं रक्तं भ्रातुर्युधिष्ठु दुःशासनस्य निवारितन्नान्यतमेन भीमम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. When I heard that Bhima had drunk the blood of his cousin Dushasan and none was able to prevent him. Yada Shrausham Bhimasenena Pitam Raktam Bhratur Dushasanasya Nivaritam Nanyatamena Bhimam Tada Nashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya यदाश्रौषं कर्णमत्यन्तशूरम्
यदा श्रौषं कर्णमत्यन्तशूरम्
हतं पार्थेनाहवेश्वप्रधृष्यम्
हतं पार्थेनाहवेश्वप्रधृष्यम्
तस्मिन् भ्रातॄणां विग्रहे देवगुह्ये
तस्मिन् भ्रातॄणां विग्रहे देवगुह्ये
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं कर्णमत्यन्तशूरम् हतं पार्थेनाहवेश्वप्रधृष्यम् तस्मिन् भ्रातॄणां विग्रहे देवगुह्ये तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that the exceedingly brave and unconquerable in war, Karna, had been killed by Arjuna in the war of brothers, which was mysterious even to celestial. Yada Shrausham Karnam Atyanta Shuram. Yeah. हतं पार्थेनाहवेश्वप्रधृष्यम् तस्मिन् भ्रातॄणां विग्रहे देवगुह्ये भ्रातॄणां दीर्घ इट् वास् तस्मिन् भ्रातॄणां विग्रहे देवगुह्ये तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रं च शूरम्
यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रं च शूरम्
दुःशासनं कृतवर्माणमुग्रम्
दुःशासनं कृतवर्माणमुग्रम्
युधिष्ठिरं धर्मराजन् जयन्तम्
युधिष्ठिरं धर्मराजं जयन्तम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा स्रौषन् द्रोणपुत्रं च शूरं दुःशासनं कृतवर्माणमुग्रं युधिष्ठिरं धर्मराजं जयन्तम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that Yudhishthir had defeated the son of Drona, Dushasan, and fearful Kritavarma. यदाश्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रं च शूरं दुःशासनं कृतवर्माणमुग्रं युधिष्ठिरं धर्मराजं जयन्तं तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदाश्रौषं निहतं मद्रराजम्
यदा श्रौषण्निहतं मद्रराजम्
रणे शूरं धर्मराजेन सूत
रणे शूरं धर्मराजेन सूत
सदा सङ्ग्रामे स्पर्धते यस्तु कृष्णम्
सदा सङ्ग्रामे स्पर्धते यस्तु कृष्णम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा स्रौषन्निहतं मद्रराजम् रणे शूरं धर्मराजेन सूत सदा सङ्ग्रामे स्पर्धित यस्तु कृष्णम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
स्पर्धते यदा श्रौषन्निहतं मद्रराजं रणे शूरं धर्मराजेन सूत सदा सङ्ग्रामे स्पर्धते यस्तु कृष्णं तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that Yudhishthira had killed the king of Madra, who always challenged Krishna. यदा श्रौषं कलहे यदा श्रौषं कलहद्यूतमूलम्
यदा स्रौषं यदा स्रौषं कलहद्यूतमूलम्
मायाबलं सौबलं पाण्डवेन
मायाबलं सौबलं पाण्डवेन
हतं सङ्ग्रामे सह देवेन पापम्
हतं सङ्ग्रामे सह देवेन पापम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा स्रौषं कलहद्यूतमूलम् मायाबलं सौबलं पाण्डवेन हतं सङ्ग्रामे सह देवेन पापम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that Saubala, the man of magic power, and the root of the gaming and the feud, had been killed by Sahadev. Yada Shrausham Kalahadhyutamulam Maya Balam Saubalam Pandavena Hatam Sangrame Sahadevena Papam Tadanasham E Vijayaya Sanjaya यदा श्रौषं श्रान्तमेकं शयानम्
यदा श्रौषं श्रान्तमेकं शयानम्
हृदं गत्वा स्तम्भयित्वा तदम्भः
हृदं गत्वा स्तम्भयित्वा तदम्भः
दुर्योधनौ विरथं भग्नशक्तिम्
दुर्योधनौ विरथं दुर्योधनौ विरथं भग्नशक्तिम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा स्रौषं श्रान्तमेकं शयानम् हृतं गत्वा स्तम्भयित्वा तदम्भः दुर्योधनौ विरथं भग्नशक्तिम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
Pratham, I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that Duryodhana, having been spent with fatigue, his strength being gone out, and without even a chariot, had gone to a lake and had taken refuge in its waters. यदा श्रौषं श्रान्तमेकं शयानं हृदं गत्वा स्तम्भयित्वा तदम्भः दुर्योधनौ विरथं भग्नशक्तिं तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं पाण्डवांस्तिष्ठमानान्
यदा श्रौषं पाण्डवांस्तिष्ठमाना
गत्वा हृदे वासुदेवेन सार्धम्
गत्वा हृदे वासुदेवेन सार्धम्
मर्षणं धर्षयतः सुतं मे
अमर्षणम् धर्षयतः सुतं मे
नानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं पाण्डवांस्तिष्ठमाना गत्वा हृदे वासुदेवेन सार्धम् अमर्षणम् धर्षयतः सुतं मे तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that the Pandavas, accompanied by Krishna, had gone to the lake and had begun to address my son contemptuously, who was never able to put up with any affront. यदा श्रौषं पाण्डवांस्तिष्ठमानान् गत्वा हृदे वासुदेवेन सार्धम् अमर्षणम् धर्षयतः सुतं मे तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं विविधांश्चित्रमार्गान्
यदा श्रौषं विविधांश्चित्रमार्गान्
गदा युधे sorry गदा युद्धे मण्डलश्चन sorry गदा युद्धे चरन्तम् मण्डलशश्चरन्तम्
गदायुधे मण्डलशश्चरन्तम्
मिथ्याहतं वासुदेवस्य बुद्ध्या
मिथ्याहतं वासुदेवस्य बुद्ध्या
तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं विविधांश्चित्रमार्गान् गदायुधे मण्डलशश्चरन्तम् मिथ्याहतं वासुदेवस्य बुद्ध्या तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
had no hope of success, or Sanjaya, when I heard that while displaying various modes of attack and defense in a club fight, he had been unjustly slain through the counsels of Krishna. यदा श्रौषं विविधांश्चित्रमार्गान् गदा युद्धे मण्डलशश्चरन्तम् मिथ्याहतं वासुदेवस्य बुद्ध्या तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादिभिस्तैः till what you heard, Lalita ji, my connection dipped. The meaning when I read, did you hear?
Yeah.
The meaning is okay. So the new verse.
Only this
Okay.
one.
यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादिभिस्तैः
यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादि sorry यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादिभिस्तैः
हतान् पञ्चालान् द्रौपदेयांश्च सुप्तान्
हतान् पञ्चालान् द्रौपदेयांश्च सुप्तान्
कृतं बिभत्समयशस्यञ्च कर्म
कृतं बीभत्समयशस्यञ्च कर्म
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादिभिस्तैः हतान् पञ्चालान् द्रौपदेयांश्च सुप्तान् कृतं बीभत्समयशस्यञ्च कर्म तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that sons of Drona and others had committed a horrible and infamous deed by killing the Panchalas and the sons of Draupadi in their sleep. यदाश्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रादिभिस्तैः हतान् पञ्चालान् द्रौपदेयांश्च सुप्तान् कृतं बिभत्समयशस्यं च कर्म तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदाश्रौषं भीमसेनानुयाते
यदा श्रौषं भीमसेनानुयाते
नाश्वत्थाम्ना परमास्त्रं प्रयुक्तम्
नाश्वत्थाम्ना परमास्त्रं प्रयुक्तम्
वृद्धेनैषीकमवधीद्येन गर्भम्
क्रुद्धेनैषीकमवधीत्येन सारी क्रुद्धेनैषीकमवधीत्येन गर्भम्
ईदिह तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं भीमसेनानुयाते नाश्वत्थाम्ना परमास्त्रं प्रयुक्तम् क्रुद्धेनैषीकमवधीत्येन गर्भम्
Don't do.
तदा
ईदेन you do.
क्रुद्धेनैषीकमवधीत्येन गर्भम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
And also say the first word.
यदा श्रौषं
Like
भीमसेन
sra is happening. So over there you make shra. Shra and not sra.
यदा श्रो- यदा श्रौषं
Shra. Shrausham. And not srausham. Shrausham. Shakara.
यदा श्रौषं
Hmm.
भीमसेनानुयाते
Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's it. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that Ashwathama, having been pursued by Bhima, had discharged the greatest of weapons named Aishika, by which the sun in the womb of Uttara was destroyed. यदाश्रौषं भीमसेनानुयाते नाश्वत्थाम्ना परमास्त्रं प्रयुक्तं क्रुद्धेनैषीकमवधीद्येन गर्भम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदाश्रौषं ब्रह्मशिरोऽर्जुनेन
यदा श्रौषं ब्रह्मशिरोऽर्जुनेन
स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वास्त्रमस्त्रेण शान्तम्
स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वास्त्रमस्त्रेण शान्तम्
अश्वत्थाम्नामणिरत्नं च दत्तम्
अश्वत्थाम्नामणिरत्नं च दत्तम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं ब्रह्मशिरोऽर्जुनेन स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वास्त्रमस्त्रेण शान्तम् अश्वत्थाम्नामणिरत्नं च दत्तम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
Chalita ji, thank you for wonderful, smooth chanting. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that the weapon, Brahma Shira, discharged by Ashwathama, had been repelled by Arjuna with another weapon on which he had uttered the word Swasti, and that Ashwathama had to surrender the jewel that was on his head. यदाश्रौषं ब्रह्मशिरोऽर्जुनेन स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वास्त्रमस्त्रेण शान्तम् अश्वत्थाम्नामणिरत्नं च दत्तम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय Radha Krishnan ji for the next 12 verses. यदाश्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रेण गर्भे
यदाश्रौषं द्रोणपुत्रेण गर्भे
रोषन् नकार वैराट्या वै पात्यमाने महास्त्रैः
वैराढ्या वै पा वैराढ्या वै पात्यमाने महास्त्रैः
वैपायनः केशवो द्रोणपुत्रम्
द्वैपाहनः द्वैपा द्वैपायनः केशवो द्रोणपुत्रम्
परस्परेणाभिशापैः शशाप
परस्परेणाभिशापैः यदा श्रौषन् द्रोणपुत्रेण गर्भे वैराढ्या वै पात्यमाने स्महास्त्रैः द्वैपायनः केशवो द्रोणपुत्रम् परस्परेणाभिशापैः
I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that for wounding the son in the womb of Uttara, both Krishna and Dvaipayana had cursed him. यदाश्रौषन्द्रोणपुत्रेण गर्भे वैराट्या वैपात्यमाने महास्त्रैः द्वैपायनः केशवो द्रोणपुत्रम् परस्परेणाभिशापैः शशाप शोच्या गान्धारी पुत्रपौत्रैर्विहीना
शोच्या गान्धारी पुत्रपौत्रैर्विहीना
तथा बन्धुभिः पितृभिर्भ्रातृभिश्च
तथा बन्धुभिः पितृभिर्भ्रातृभिश्च
इश्च
तथा बिन्दुभिः तदा बन्धुभिः तदा बन्धुभिः पितृभिर्भ्रातृभिश्च
करेक्ट कृतं कार्यं दुष्करं पाण्डवेयैः
कृतं कार्यं दुष्करं पाण्डवेयैः
प्राप्तं राज्यमसपत्नं पुनस्तैः
प्राप्तं राजमसपल्
असपत्न
असपत्नं प्राप्तं राज्यमसपत्नं पुनस्तैः शोच्या गान्धारी पुत्रपौत्रैर्विहीन तथा बन्धुभिः पितृभिर्भ्रातृभिश्च कृतं कार्यं दुष्करं पाण्डवेयैः प्राप्तं राज्यमसपत्नं पुनस्तैः
Good. Alas, Gandhari is to be pitied. She has lost all her children, grandchildren, parents, brothers, and kindred. A most difficult work has been performed by the Pandavas. A kingdom has been gained by them without a rival. शोच्या गान्धारी पुत्रपौत्रैर्विहीना तथा बन्धुभिः पितृभिर्भ्रातृभिश्च कृतं कार्यं दुष्करं पाण्डवेयैः प्राप्तं राज्यमसपत्नं पुनस्तैः कष्टं युद्धे दशशेषाश्रिता मे
कष्टैयुद्धे दशशेषाश्रुता मे
शेषाश्रिता मे विसर्गाशकारा
कष्टैयुद्धे देशशेषाश्रुता मे
दश न देश
सोरि दश कष्टं युद्धे दशशेषाश्रुता मे
त्रयोऽस्माकं पाण्डवानां च सप्त
त्रयोऽस्माकं पाण्डवानां च सप्त
ह्यूनाविंशतिराहता सौहिणीनाम्
क्षौहिणीनाम्
तस्मिन् सङ्ग्रामे भैरवे क्षत्रियाणाम्
अस्मिन् सङ्ग्रामे भैरवे क्षत्रियाणाम् कष्टयुद्धे दशशेषश्रुता मे त्रयोऽस्माकं पाण्डवानां च सप्त ह्यूनाविंशतिराहदाक्षौहिणीनाम् तस्मिन् सङ्ग्रामे भैरवे क्षत्रियाणाम्
Alas, I have heard that only 10 persons are alive in this war, 3 on our side and 7 on the other side of the Pandavas. 18 Akshahinis of Kshatriyas have been slain in this fearful battle. Did I give once the homework to find out how much is 1 Akshavini?
Yes, yeah.
Anybody has written?
1 lakh odd persons are there, isn't it? Yeah.
No, not only that.
41,870.
Yes, 41,870 elephants.
Yeah.
Then 21,000
Horses.
how much? 21,000 how much?
21,870 chariots.
Again, one more. 21,870 equal number of? Nobody did the homework.
Elephants. Yeah, elephants.
Quickly.
Foot soldiers.
Those are 1 lakh odd. But we are at 21,000. How many
Elephants
chariots?
horses.
Sorry? How many? 21,000?
21,870 elephants.
Okay.
Number of elephants.
So 21,870 elephants, 21,870
chariots, and 109,300 soldiers.
Yes, but one more is there then.
Horses is 65,610.
Horses are there. So then, not 41,000, that means. So chariots and elephants, 21,870, 21,870 each. Then
Yes.
apart from chariots, there are only horses are also there. So that is 65,000.
65,610.
So somebody is noting down this all right, 65,610. And then comes the foot soldiers, 1,09,000.
109,350.
1,09,350.
109,350.
9,350. So this is 1 Akshavini, huh? So just imagine 1,09,000 people are there. Then this 65,000 horses will not be there. On that, those horsemen will also be there, right? So 65,000, how much? 870.
610.
610. 65,610. So that many men are also riding on that. Okay. So in that 1 lakh, we have to add these many men also. Then this 21,870 only elephants, no, on that the men are riding also. So we have to add those 21,000 elephant, but 21,870 also, so many men are there. And also chariots are not done alone. So many men are again there. So again 21,870 chariots, but 21,870 those charioteers are also there. So now how many happened? Did anybody keep account? This was supposed to be homework, no?
Mhm.
1,09,000, how much? 9,000?
350.
350.
350. Okay. So that comes to 2,18,400 people are there, okay, in one. So this 2,18,400 people, okay, people only I'm counting. Just see the amount of space required for those chariots and those many elephants. Okay, how much? So that is like 43,000 something. And then this again, so many 65,000 again separate horses. Chariot requires one space. And apart from that, another 65,000. So this 2,18,400. Now you multiply this into 18. So that comes to about 39 lakhs 31,200. So about 40 lakh people are there, 40 lakh people, plus those huge elephants, plus that many chariots, plus those many horses. Okay. So like 4 million people and plus these, or just imagine the expanse of that battlefield. And everything is washed out apart from these 10, 3 from this side and 7. So just to give the gravity of that war is at what extent it is. And of course, they also did some cheating by killing, Draupadi's son. This is what the verse we read, that they were sleeping in the night. So that time, at the dawn when the conch blows, and at the dusk when the conch blows, it is the start and the ending. Okay. But now, imagine this is on the scene. Outside the scene, what is happening? For so many 40 lakh people, food is going to get prepared. So what is the space for that? And these injuries are happening on daily basis. So many doctors and vaidyas are there. So their tents are also put. That is not in this war place, na? So imagine the size of the kitchen. Imagine the amount of the clinic place that is required. And plus they are resting till the next. So their restrooms are also there. Right? And bedroom or whatever, that tent is also there. So 40 lakh people, 4 million people have to rest. Just see the area that is covered. And it's not that you are my enemy, I'm your enemy, so we don't see. After the sunset, both are mingling here and there. Okay. So everything is happening thereafter, after sunset till the next day. Again, only the dawn. So there is a lot of ethics in place of how the war is there. But in between these, like how Abhimanyu is killed, that story, and like how now Draupadi's sons are killed, that story. So in between there are some cheatings done as well. But most of the place, it is with the ethics, the war is happening. But the war basis is unethical, adharma, so the war is happening. But there is a set of rule of how the war has to be fought. So that war I'm talking about. The war is happening because of adharma. So there is no ethics into that. Because of completely ethics thrown out of the window, the war has come. But to fight the war also, there is who is going to fight with whom? A chariot person fights with a chariot. Horse. So there were certain rules like that, not something anyhow. Then you fight with Ayutam. So all this Arjuna, Yudhishthira, they could fight with 10,000 people at the same time. So just imagine the dexterity of and we can't imagine that how huge this thing is happening. So that's what I had. And suddenly when this Akshavini, so many Akshavinis are gone, then suddenly I remembered it was 2 weeks ago the homework given that find out how much is one Akshavini and come. So now don't forget these numbers. 21,870, 61,310, 109,350. So much is there in one. And multiply by 18. Oh my God, my God, my God. Okay. कष्टं युद्धे दशशेषाश्रिता मे त्रयोऽस्माकं पाण्डवानां च सप्त ह्यूना विंशतिराहताक्षौहिणीनां तस्मिन् सङ्ग्रामे भैरवे क्षत्रियाणां तमस्त्वतीव विस्तीर्णम्
तमस्त्ववीव विस्तीर्णम्
त्वतीव तमः तु
तमस्त्वती
अतीव तमः
तमस्
is darkness.
तमस्त्वतीव विस्तीर्णम्
मोहाविशतीव माम्
मोहाविशतीव माम्
संज्ञान्नो लभे संज्ञान्नोपलभे सूत
संज्ञां नोपलभे सूत
मनो विह्वलतीव मे
मनो विह्वलतीव मे तमस्त्वतीव विस्तीर्णं मोहाविशतीव माम् संज्ञां नोपलभे सूत मनोविह्वलतीव मे.
What is Dhritarashtra is speaking? Utter darkness is all around me. Who Dhritarashtra is telling? Tamaha tu ativa, ativa, utter. Tamaha, darkness. Moha vishativa ma. Moha, I'm getting, deluded. A faintness overcomes me. Santhyam nopalabhe. Consciousness, samthya. I'm not feeling consciousness. Nopalabhe, Suta, oh Suta is telling this story to Suta. Mano vivhalativa me. My mind is tormented in so much distress. The mind is distracted. Tamasvativa vistirnam moha vishativa ma sanyannopalabhe Suta mano vihvalativa me. Then Suta is going to say, Sautiruvacha.
सौतिरुवाच
इत्युक्त्वा धृतराष्ट्रोऽथ
इत्युक्त्वा धृतराष्ट्रोऽथ
विलप्य बहु दुःखितः
विलप्य बहु दुःखितः
मूर्छितः पुनराश्वस्तः
मूर्छितः पुनराश्वस्तः
सञ्जयं वाक्यमब्रवीत्
सञ्जयं वाक्यमब्रवीत् इत्युक्त्वा धृतराष्ट्रोऽथ विलप्य बहु दुःखितः मूर्छितः पुनराश्वस्तः
पुनराश्वस्तः
मूर्छितः पुनराश्वस्तः सञ्जयं वाक्यमब्रवीत्.
So this Sauti says, bewailing his fate thus, Dhritarashtra was overcome with the greatest sorrow and lost his senses for a time. But being revived, he addressed Sanjaya in these words. So Dhritarashtra has fallen down, but he is back again. He's been revived, and after reviving, he's going to say some more words. सौतिरुवाच इत्युक्त्वा धृतराष्ट्रोऽथ विलप्य बहु दुःखितः मूर्छितः पुनराश्वस्तः सञ्जयं वाक्यमब्रवीत्. धृतराष्ट्र
उवाच
सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुम् सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुम् इच्छामि मा चिरम्. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are two, so it is not fitting Anushtup Chanda. So we will carry that whole line together. सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुमिच्छामि मा चिरम्.
सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुमिच्छामि मां चिरम्.
मा चिरम्.
सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुमिच्छामि मा चिरम्.
So mam, when you say, if you give anuswara, it means to me. And ma means no. Ma chiram means without delay. Chira is delay. Ma chiram is without delay. So meaning will change. Mam is to me. Ma is no, without. Stokam hyapi na pashyami.
स्तोहं ह्यपि न पश्यामि.
No, not so.
स्तोकं ह्यपि न पश्यामि.
फलं
जीवितधारणे सञ्जयैवं प्राणांस्त्यक्तुमिच्छामि मा चिरम्. स्तोकं ह्यपि न पश्यामि फलं जीवितधारणे.
Dhritarashtra said, after what has happened, O Sanjaya, I desire to abandon this life without any further delay. I do not see any good by keeping it alive any longer. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच सञ्जयैवं प्राणां त्यक्तुमिच्छामि माचिरं स्तोकौ ह्यपि न पश्यामि फलं जीवितधारणे सौतिरुवाच
सौतिरुवाच
तन्तथा
तन्तथा वादिनन्दीनम्
विलपन्तं महीपतिम्
विलपन्तं महीपतिम्
निःश्वसन्तं यथा नागम्
निःश्वसन्तं यथा नागम्
मुह्यमानं पुनः पुनः
मुह्यमानं पुनः पुनः
गाल् गावल्ग गावल्गणिरिदं धीमान् सेम् सेकेण्ड् लैन् ट्यून्
गावल्गणिरिदं धीमान्
महार्थं वाक्यमब्रवीत्
महार्तं वाक्यमब्रवीत् सौतिरुवाच तन्तथा वादिनन्दीनं विलपन्तं महीपतिम् निःश्वसन्तं यथा नागं मुह्यमानं पुनः पुनः गावल्गणिरिद् गावल्गणिरिदं धीमान्
गावल्गणिरिदं धीमान्
गावल्गणिरिदं धीमान् महार्तं वाक्यमब्रवीत्
So he said, while thus talking and bewailing, sighing like a serpent and fainting every moment, the wise son of Gavalgana, Sanjaya, addressed the pitiable king of the earth in words instilled with deep meaning. Sautiruvacha tantathavadinandinam vilapantam mahipatim nishvasantam yatha nagam muhyamanam punah punaha गाल्वगणीरिदं धीमान् महार्थं वाक्यमब्रवीत् Sanjay Vacha. Now we will read
Continue.
till 24 for you, all the way straight.
Yeah.
Shrutavanasi Vairajan
श्रुतवानसि वैराजन्
Mahotsahan Mahabalan.
ममोत्साहान्
Mamo, not Maho,
महाबलान्
not Mamo, Maho.
श्रुतवानसि वैराजन्
Mahotsahan Mahabalan.
महोत्साहान् महाबलान्
Vaipayanasya Vadatah
द्वैपायनस्य वदतः
नारदस्य च धीमतः
नारदस्य च धीमतः
महत्सु राजवंशेषु
महत्सुराजवंशेषु
गुणैः समुदितेषु च
गुणैः समुदितेषु च
जातान् दिव्यास्त्रविदुषः
जातान् दिव्यास्त्रविदुषः
शक्रप्रतिमतेजसः
शक्रप्रतिमतेजसः
धर्मेण पृथिवीं जित्वा
धर्मेण पृथिवीं जित्वा
यज्ञैरिष्ट्वाप्तदक्षिणैः
यज्ञैरिष्ट्वाप्तदक्षिणैः
अस्मिन् लोके यशः प्राप्य
अस्मिल्लोके यशः प्राप्य
ततः कालवशं गतान्
ततः कालवशं गतान्
दैव्यं महारथं वीरं
शैव्यं महारथं वीरं
सृञ्जयन् जयतां वरम्
सृञ्जयन् जयतां वरम्
सुहोत्रं रन्ति देवं च
सुहोत्रं रन्दिदेवं च
काक्षीवन्तमथौषिजम्
काक्षीवन्तमथौषिजम् Yeah.
वाल्मीकन्दमनं चैद्यम्
वात्मीगन्धमनं चैत्यं
वाल्मीकम्
वात्हीगन्धमनं चैत्यं
शर्यातिमजितन्नलम्
शर्यादिमचितन्नलम्
From Sanjay Uvacha.
सञ्जय उवाच श्रुतवानसि वैराजन् महोत्साहान् महाबलान् दैपायनस्य वदतः नारदस्य च धीमतः महत्सुरजवंशेषु
Raja.
महत्सुराजवंशेषु गुणैः समुदितेषु च जादा जादान् दिव्यास्त्रविदुषः
Shakra.
शगप्रतिमतेजसः
Shakra.
शक्रप्रतिमतेजसः धर्मेण पृथिवीं जित्वा यज्ञैरिष्टा रिष्टा यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा सदक्षिणैः
Harishtvaapta.
यज्ञैरिष्ट्वाप्तदक्षिणैः अस्मिल्लोके यशः प्राप्य ततः कालवशं गतान् शैव्यं महारथं वीरं संसृज्यं जयताम्
Srinjayam.
sorry शैव्यं महारथं वीरं सृजयं
Srinjayam.
जयतां सृजयं
Srin. There is a dot on Sru. Srinjayam.
this is सृञ्जयन् जयतां वरं मुहोत्रं
Hotra. Suhotra.
सुहोत्रं रन्तिदेवच्च काक्षीवन्तमथौषिचम्
Valhikandaman.
वाल्हीगन्धमनं
Valhikam ended. Valhikam.
वाल्मीगं
Not Valmi.
वाल्हीग
Valhi.
वाल्हीगन्धमनं चैत्यं
Chaitya.
शर्या
No, it end like a second line. Valhikandamanam chaidyam sharyatimajitannalam.
वाल्हीगन्धमनं चैत्यं शर्यादिमच्चिदन्नलम्
Good. Thank you, Radha Krishnan ji. Your put of 12 verses are over. Oh, okay. So these 23rd, 24th line, we will see the meaning in the next chanting, but first we'll finish the first paragraph. So Sanjay says, from wise Narada and Vyasa, you have heard, O king, of immensely powerful men, men of great exertions, men born of great royal dynasties, men full of great qualities, men well versed in the art of using celestial weapons, men who, having conquered the world by righteous war and performing sacrifices with proper offerings, obtain fame in this world and finally succumb to death. Sanjay Uvacha Shrutavanasi Vairajan Mahotsahan Mahabalan Dvaipayanasya Vadataha Naradasya cha Dhimataha Mahatsurajavamsheshu Gunai Samuditeshu cha Jatan Divyastra Vidushaha Shakra Pratima Tejasaha धर्मेण पृथिवीं जित्वा यज्ञैरिष्ट्वाप्तदक्षिणैः अस्मिल्लोके यशः प्राप्य ततः कालवशं गतान्. The two verses I'll read with the next one. Sajeev ji, please come over for the next 12 verses. We'll complete these 12. No, we'll do one extra verse. We'll not stop at 36. We'll stop at 37. We'll complete this for today's session. Though the time, so we'll extend maybe another 5-10 minutes of the time. Number 25. Vishwamitramamitradhna.
विश्वामित्रममित्रघ्न
Mitradhnam.
विश्वामित्रममित्रघ्नम्
अम्बरीषं महाबलम्
अम्बरीशं महाबलं
मरुत्तं मनुमिक्ष्वाकुम्
मरुत्तं मनुमिक्ष्वाकुं
क्ष्वा
मरुत्तं मनुमिक्ष्वाकुं
गयं भरतमेव च
गयं भरतमेव च
रामं दाशरथिं चैव
रामं दाशरथिं चैव
शशबिन्दुं भगीरथम्
शशबिन्दुं भगीरथं
कृतवीर्यं महाभागम्
कृतवीर्यं महाभागं
तथैव जनमेजयम्
तथैव जनमेजयं
ययातिं शुभकर्माणम्
ययातिं शुभकर्माणं
देवैर्यो याजितः स्वयम्
देवैर्यो याजितः स्वयं
दैत्ययूपाङ्किता भूमिः
चैत्ययूपाङ्किता भूमिः
यस्येयं सवनाकरा
यस्येयं सवनाकरा
इति राज्ञां चतुर्विंशत्
इति राज्ञां चतुर्विंशत्
नारदेन सुरर्षिणा
नारदेन सुरर्षिणा
पुत्रशोकाभितप्ताय
पुत्रशोकाभितप्ताय
पुराश्वैत्याय कीर्तितम्
श्वैत्याय कीर्तितम्
तेभ्यश्चान्ये गताः पूर्वम्
तेभ्यश्चान्ये गताः पूर्वम्
राजानो बलवत्तराः
राजानो बलवत्तराः
महारथा महात्मानः
महारथा महात्मानः
सर्वैः समुदिता गुणैः
सर्वैः समुदिता गुणैः विश्वामित्रममित्रघ्नम् अम्बरीशं महाबलं मरुतं मनुमिक्ष्वाकुं गयं भरतमेव च रामं दाशरथिं चैव शशबिन्दुं भगीरथं कृतवीर्यं महाभागं तथैव जनमेजयं ययातिं शुभकर्माणं देवैर्यो याजितः स्वयं चैत्ययूपाङ्किता भूमिः यस्येयं सवनाकरा इति राज्ञां चतुर्विंशत् इति राज्ञां चतुर्विंशत् नारदेन सुरर्षिणा पुत्रशोकाभितप्ताय श्वैत्याय कीर्तितम् तेभ्यश्चान्ये गताः पूर्वं राजानो बलवत्तराः महारथा महात्मानः सर्वैः समुदिता गुणैः.
Such men were Shailya, the brave Kar warrior, Srinjaya, the great amongst all conquerors, Suhotra, Rantideva, Kakshivanta, greatly glorious Damana, Balhika, Sharyati, Ajita, Nala, Vishwamitra, the killer of enemies, the greatly strong Ambarisha, Maruta, Manu, Ikshvaku, Gaya, Bharata, Parshurama, the son of Dasharatha Rama, Shashabindu, Bhagiratha, Kritavirya, Janamejaya, and Yayati of good deeds, who perform sacrifices, assisted by the celestial themselves, and by whose sacrificial altars and stakes the habitable and inhabitable regions of this earth were all over marked. When Chaitya was much afflicted for the loss of his children, the histories of these 24 Rajas were told to him in the olden time by the celestial sage Narada. But besides these other kings who were great Kar warriors, who were more powerful than the above, who were noble in mind and full of every good quality, had also fallen into the grasp of death. So how many great people just were washed out by war. शैव्यं महारथं वीरं सृञ्जयं जयतां वरं सुहोत्रं रन्ति देवं च काक्षीवन्तमथौषिजं वाल्हीकन्दमनं चैद्यं शर्यातिमजितन्नलं विश्वामित्रममित्रघ्नम् अम्बरीषं महाबलं मरुत्तं मनुमिक्ष्वाकुं गयं भरतमेव च रामं दाशरथिं चैव शशबिन्दुं भगीरथं कृतवीर्यं महाभागं तथैव जनमे जयं ययातिं शुभकर्माणं देवैर्यो याजितः स्वयं चैत्ययूपाङ्किता भूमिः यस्येयं सवनाकरा इति राज्ञां चतुर्विंशत् नारदेन सुरर्षिणा पुत्रशोकाभितप्ताय पुराश्वैत्याय कीर्तितम् तेभ्यश्चान्ये गताः पूर्वं राजानो बलवत्तराः महारथा महात्मानः सर्वैः समुदिता गुणैः. The last set of verses we'll do, though the time is up, but we'll complete because we kept that much in mind that okay, today we are going to do so many verses at it. Puruh kurur yadushuraha.
Puruh kurur yadushuraha.
विश्वगश्वो महाद्युतिः.
विश्वगश्वो महाद्युतिः.
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 अणुहो युवनाश्वश्च.
अणुहो युवनाश्वश्च.
ककुत्स्थो विक्रमी रघुः.
ककुत्स्थो विक्रमी रघुः.
विजयो वीतिहोत्रोङ्गः.
विजयो वीत्रिहोत्रोङ्गः.
वित्रिनो वीति.
विजयो वीतिहोत्रोङ्गः.
भवश्वेतो बृहद्गुरुः.
भवश्वेतो बृहद्गुरुः.
उशीनरः शतरथः.
उशीनरः शतरथः.
कङ्को दुहो द्रुमः. कङ्को दुलिद्रुहो द्रुमः.
कङ्कोदुलिद्रुहो द्रुमः.
दम्भोद्भवः परो वेनः.
दम्भोद्भवः परो वेनः.
सगरः संस्कृतिर्निमिः.
सगरः संकृतिर्निमिः.
अजेयः परशुः पुण्ड्रः.
अजेयः परशुः पुण्ड्रः.
शम्भुर्देवावृधो नघः.
शम्भुर्देवावृधो नघः.
देवाह्वयः सुप्रतिमः.
देवाह्वयः सुप्रतिमः.
सुप्रतीको बृहद्रथः.
सुप्रतीको बृहद्रथः.
महोत्साहो विनीतात्मा.
महोत्साहो विनीतात्मा.
सुक्रतुर्नैषधो नलः.
शुक्रतूर्नैर्श्रधो नलः.
सुक्रतुर्नैषधो नलः.
शुक्रतुर्नैषधो नलः.
And not sure. सत्यव्रतः शान्तभयः.
सत्यव्रतः शान्तभयः.
सुमिः सुबलः प्रभुः.
सुमिः सुबलः प्रभुः.
जानुजङ्घो नरण्योऽर्कः.
जानुजङ्घो नरण्योऽर्कः.
प्रियभृत्य शुचिव्रतः.
प्रियभृत्य शुचिव्रतः.
बलबन्धुर्निरामर्दः.
बलबन्धुर्निरामर्दः.
केतुशृङ्गो बृहद्बलः.
केतुशृङ्गो बृहद्बलः.
धृष्टकेतुर्बृहत्केतुः.
धृष्टकेतुर्बृहत्केतुः.
दीप्तकेतुर्निरामयः.
दीप्तकेतुर्निरामयः.
अविक्षिच्चपलो धूर्तः.
अविक्षिच्चपलो धूर्तः.
कृतबन्धुर्दृढे श्रुधिः.
कृतबन्धुर्दृढे श्रुधिः.
महापुराणसम्भाव्यः
महापुराणसम्भाव्यः
प्रत्यङ्गः परः श्रुतिः
प्रत्यङ्गः परः श्रुतिः
एते चान्ये च राजानः
एते चान्ये च राजानः
शतशोऽथ सहस्रशः
शतशोऽथसहस्रशः
श्रूयन्ते शतशश्चान्ये
श्रूयन्ते शतशश्चान्ये
सङ्ख्याताश्चैव पद्मशः
सङ्ख्याताश्चैव पद्मशः पुरु पुरुः कुरुर्युधः शूरः विश्वकश्वो महाद्युतिः अणुः युवनाश्वश्च ककुत्स्थो विक्रमी रघुः विजयो वीतिहोत्रोऽङ्गः भवश्वेतो बृहद्गुरुः उशीनरः शतरथः दुलिद्रुहोदुमः दम्भोद्भवः परो वेनः सगरः संकृतिर्निमिः अजेयः परशुः पुण्ड्रः शम्भुर्देवावृधो नगः देवाभयः सुप्रतिमः सॉरी
सुप्रतिमः
देवाभयः सुप्रतिमः सुप्रतीको बृहद्धृतः महोत्साहो विनीतात्मा सुक्रतुनैर्षधोत्नलः
not nair sukratur nay
सुक्रतुर्नैषधो नलः सत्यव्रतः शान्तभयः सुमिस्सुबलः प्रभुः जानुजङ्गो नरण्योर्कः प्रियभृत्यशुचिव्रतः बलबन्धुर्निरामर्दः केतुशृङ्गो बृहद्बलः धृष्टकेतुर्बृहत्केतुः दीप्तकेतुर्निरामयः अवीक्षिच्चपलोधृतः
धृतः धूर्तः
अवीक्षिच्चपलो धूर्तः कृतबन्धुर्दृढेषु धिः महापुराणसम्भाव्यः प्रत्यग्नः परः श्रुतिः प्रत्यङ्गः परः श्रुतिः एते चान्ये च राजानः शतशोऽथसहस्रशः श्रूयन्ते शतशश्चान्ये सङ्ख्याताश्चैव पद्मशः.
This only the names of kings are coming, but the sentence will complete only in the next 3 verses. So we'll squeeze in next 3 verses. Sorry. Hitva suvipulan bhogan.
हित्वा सुविपुलान् भोगान्
बुद्धिमन्तो महाबलाः
बुद्धिमन्तो महाबलाः
राजानो निधनं प्राप्ताः
राजानो निधनं प्राप्ताः
तव पुत्रा इव प्रभो
तव पुत्रा इव प्रभो
येषां दिव्यानि कर्माणि
येषां दिव्यानि कर्माणि
विक्रमस्त्याग एव च
विक्रमस्त्याग एव च
माहात्म्यमपि चास्तिक्यम्
माहात्म्यमपि चास्तिक्यम्
सत्यं शौचं दयार्जवम्
सत्यं शौचं दयार्जवम्
विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते लोके
विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते
लोके विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते लोके
विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते लोके
पुराणे कविसत्तमैः
पुराणे कविसत्तमैः
सर्वर्धिगुणसम्पन्नाः
सर्वद्धिगुणसम्पन्नाः
ते चापि निधनं गताः.
ते चापि निधनं गताः हित्वा सुविपुलान् भोगान् बुद्धिमन्तो महाबलाः राजानो निधनं प्राप्ताः तव पुत्रा इव प्रभो येषां दिव्यानि कर्माणि विक्रमस्त्याग एव च माहात्म्यमापि चास्तिक्यं सत्यं शौचं दयार्जवम् विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते लोके पुराणे कविसत्तमैः सर्वद्भिगुणसम्पन्नः ते चापि निधनं गताः.
So, Sajiji, lovely reading. Okay, so now we are going to read the list of who are all the kings and then complete the sentence with the last three verses which we added. Devar, Puru, Kuru, Yadu, Shura, Vishagashva, Mahadyuti, Anuha, Yuvanasya, Kakutstha, Vikrami, Raghu, Vijaya, Vitihotra, Anga, Bhava, Shveta, Bruhadguru, Ushinara, Shataratha, Kanaka, Duliduha, Druma, Dambhodbhava, Para, Vena, Sagara, Sankriti, Nimi, Ajaya, Parashu, Pundra, Shambhu, Devavriddha, Anagha, Devahvaya, Supratima, Supratika, Brihadratha, Mahotsaha, Vinitatma, Sukratu, the king of Nishadha, Nala, Satyavrata, Shantabhaya, Sumitra, Subala, Janujangha, Anaranya, Arka, Priyabhritya, Shuchivrata, Balabandhu, Niramarda, Ketushringa, Bruhadbala, Dhrishtaketu, Bruhadketu, Deeptaketu, Niramaya, Avikshita, Chapala, Dhurta, Kritabandhu, Brindeshabdhi, Maha Purana Sambhava, Pratyanga, Paraha, and Shruti. These kings and hundreds and thousand others who were greatly powerful and wise had met death like your sons, quitting immense wealth and pleasure. Even those men who possessed all the noble virtues and whose heavenly valor, generosity, magnanimity, faith, truth, purity, simplicity, and mercy are published in the Puranas by the sacred bards of great learning, gave up their lives. So, the list of great kings. So, what is the use of that greatness? The war couldn't save their lives, and these great kings also couldn't save the war. Because Duryodhana was not ready for any negotiations at all. And he just postponed. They completed whatever he said. Okay, 12 years do this, 1 year do Ajñatvas, everything. And after that he said, not a tip of the needle ground I will give you. And initially when he divided the kingdom, they gave him some barren land, which they made into a beautiful kingdom of their own, which he wanted it. And from there again, they got punished. So never it was on the side of dharma at all. But when you are holding this adharma, when it is getting washed, equally whether you are knowledgeable or non-knowledgeable, good or bad, nothing is seen, right? Everything is gone and washed. That is when we'll have to all see that little bit of adharma, if we think of doing, the consequences after that are not in our hands, like how our Gita says. So Gita is also coming in Mahabharata only. You have rights to do only the actions. Then how the fruit of the action is going to come to you, you cannot analyze that. Neither you have right on that. And we can't even fathom in which way and which birth and when that fruit is going to get ripe. So now reading all these lovely kings' name, and those who are good also, knowledgeable also, everything is washed only, right? So there was nothing left. This is the saddest part of the war. Puruh Pururyadusuraha Vishwagashvo Mahadyutihi Anuho Yuvanashvascha Kakutstho Vikrami Raghuhu Vijayo Vitihotrongaha Bhavashveto Bruhadguruhu Ushinara Shatarathaha कङ्कोदुलिद्रुहो द्रुमः दम्भोद्भवः परो वेनः सगरः संस्कृतेर्निमिः अजेयः परशुः पुण्ड्रः शम्भुर्देवावृधो नघः देवावय सुप्रतिमः सुप्रतीको बृहद्रथः महोत्साहो विनीतात्मा सुक्रतुर्नैषधो नलः सत्यव्रतः शान्तभयः सुमिस्सुबलः प्रभुः जानुजङ्घो नरण्योऽर्कः प्रियभृत्य शुचिव्रतः बलबन्धुर्निरामर्दः केतुशृङ्गो बृहद्बलः दृष्टकेतुर्बृहत्केतुः दीप्तकेतुर्निरामयः अविक्षिच्चपलो धूर्तः कृतबन्धुर्दृढेषुधिः महापुराणसम्भाव्यः प्रत्यङ्गः परः श्रुतिः एते चान्ये च राजानः शतशोथसहस्रशः श्रूयन्ते शतशश्चान्ये सङ्ख्याताश्चैव पद्मशः हित्वा सुविपुलान् भोगान् बुद्धिमन्तो महाबलाः राजानो निधनं प्राप्ताः तव पुत्रा इव प्रभो येषां दिव्यानि कर्माणि विक्रमस्त्याग एव च माहात्म्यमपि चास्तिक्यं सत्यं शौचं दयार्जवम् विद्वद्भिः कथ्यते लोके पुराणे कविसत्तमैः सर्वर्धिगुणसम्पन्नाः ते चापि निधनं गताः. So, with His grace, we have completed borrowing 15 extra minutes. But if you all will, can we borrow half an hour and next week onwards, shall we make the time 3:30? Half an hour extra?
Yes.
Is it convenient to all in present today? We can add? Heike, we
Yes.
can add half an hour. So next week onwards, we'll add, yes, thank you, Gitanjali. We'll add half an hour extra. And then we'll see how it goes. Then we'll add a day extra also if it suits. So that we can cover. Next week, we're completing this chapter. Huh? So it's like, yay moment for us. That among so much big work, first chapter we'll be completing. Then the second chapter will be longer than this. But then after that, we have got lovely small chapters. So we'll have that sense of triumph. Yes, we have completed one more chapter. Yes, we have completed. So that will propel. So we'll borrow half an hour extra from next week so that we can start, that sense of triumph, that propels us to do it further more better. So we'll only have to pat our back in completing, after we complete one by one chapter. Okay. So let's end today's session. We have stopped at 240, 241. We continue next week. We complete the chapter and immediately go into the next chapter itself. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all next week.
Thank you, Ashaji.
Hari Om, Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hari
Is it possible to have the PDF from 201 verse, please? I don't
Oh,
have a
I'm
book
so
with me.
sorry. I'm sorry. I was supposed to post that. I didn't. I'll do it right away. I'll complete the chapter and give the PDF for the next one also. I'm so sorry. I was supposed to post it in the group. I didn't do. It's with my mind.
Okay.
Thank you,
Ma'am. No
Sushma ji,
problem.
for reminding that. But sorry for the inconvenience. I hope you could follow even without the text in front
No,
of
I was
you.
just listening to the story that was been recited in English. But it helps if it's there in Sanskrit as well for me to engage and not getting distracted here and there.
Okay, fine. I'll just do it. I'm sorry. It's my mistake
No,
that
no
I
problem
didn't.
at all. Thank you.
Gitanjali
Thank
ji,
you
I
so much,
hope.
Varsha-ji.
Thank you for joining. Great.
Thank you.
So,
My
if you want
pleasure.
if you want to buy the book, we are following M.N. Dattaji's. I'll share the link with you. So then you can buy. We are following that. There are other options, but this was the first translation done in 18 something. So this book is
Yes.
one of the oldest things. So we thought we'll go with the oldest because it's a
Thank you.
confusion. Some Bengalis have also written very nice. Some, I think, Chattopadhyay. So, but I thought, so we are following this amongst all. And then as we grow in deeper into it, if we need some more information, we'll get later. But somewhere we will have to start. So we started with this Gitanjali.
Thank you so much, Varsha
My
ji.
pleasure.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Good to have you. Hariom everyone. See you all in Raman class at 5:30. So it's one day, morning I had Vishnu Sahasranam for the kids over here. So that's a live session to village kids camp. And then this Mahabharat session. And then it's going to be Valmiki Ramayana session. And then it's going to be daily Gita. So I don't know. This was not planned. This has fallen like this on one day. Everything, power history, Ramayana and Mahabharata, which we call itihasas, have linked like that. And Vishnu Sahasranam and Gita, again, which are linked to Mahabharata, are happening like this. So it's grace of God that if we will, He makes so many venues open for us. Okay, Hari Om Ji, Hari Om. Thank you. See you all next week with half an hour extra time.
Hari Om. Thank you, Namaste ji.
Namaste Ji, Hari Om.